Jesus!
What the hell was that?
Shout out to you, Oga Buhari, for making Nigeria the poorest country in the world, for the insecurity, for increasing fuel price.
We felt the government would be magnanimous to be good to us. Unfortunately, today, we are just coming out of pandemic, and the gift for pandemic is increment in fuel and kilowatt of electricity. Today, Nigerians are highly disappointed.
151.56 kobo for the killings in Nigeria. Nigerian citizens are dying. If Boko Haram kill people, the next day you come out, you say I condemn it. For Abuja the other day, what did happen? Boko Haram attack them. The next day you come out, you say you condemn them. Now so condemn, now mouth like they condemn everything where they happen for Nigeria. No lights, nothing they happen for Nigeria. Now so mouth they condemn. Oga Buhari, if anybody come out talk for Nigeria, what do? You go use DSS, you go use army till they condemn them. You know they use your mouth till they condemn you. They use DSS against anybody who talk for Nigeria. No democracy for Nigeria. Autocracy that in Nigeria. No democracy for Nigeria. See Tiwa Savage and Dojazi because they thought what they happen for Nigeria. They use DSS, army till they attack them. You know they use your mouth till they condemn them. They use DSS and army till they condemn them. What did they happen? What did they solve? Person of you talk to you. Just imagine, no democracy for Nigeria. You go Mali the other day. You talk about Mali the other day. Say man, they need to embrace democracy. Oga Buhari, make I ask you, democracy in Nigeria. When be say anybody will talk to you, you will use DSS. They run preamp. Now so they practice democracy. Oga Buhari. Anybody talk for Nigeria, you will use DSS. They attack them. Person not fit talk to you. See, only way for Nigeria, only one way for Nigeria for we to tackle this Buhari. Now revolution now. Revolution now is only the way for we to tackle this situation in Nigeria. Nothing is happening in Nigeria. If you talk, the next day you see and say, "My DSS don't defend you." What did they happen? Person not fit do. No security for Nigeria. Insecurity. Now what did they Nigeria? Country cannot move forward. Investors cannot come. Any country, any country where be say man insecurity day. Tourists cannot come because they are scared of their life. Go to Benin. Benin they have great people. They have great things where be say man, people want to see. Wait, Nigeria, we not know anything about museum. We don't even know anything. They don't use it as revenue. What did Buhari know now? They increase everything. For 2014, where we say man, they campaign. You don't know what they talk about subsidy. I bet you say the video not there. What they talk about subsidy? They say what are the subsidies? What are the subsidies? All those videos you see there, people go to see them.
If anybody said he is subsidizing anything, he is a fraud. So all these people talking about subsidy, who is subsidizing? But there is so much fraud, as I said, and indiscipline and corruption that I don't talk about it. But the day I have to talk about it, I will ask the petroleum economists to come and tell me who is subsidizing Nigerian oil.
You understand? When they campaign for 2014, when you say man, you led the demonstration called Salvation Rally. When Odige Onyegun was there, even former governor of Rivers State, was also there. This man Amechi was also there. What did they happen? Okay, now anybody talk to you now, you will use DSS until they run through the person. What did they worry you? Person not fit talk to you. See, as we dey, who go talk to you, no matter what. If IPOB people come out, what do they do? You attack them, say they be terrorists. What about the Fulani people they kill people they go? Because say they be your people, you know they do anything to them. What did they happen, Buhari? When they see you, they cry, they see road. And they tire for most of Nigeria cities where we say, man, suffering and smiling, you cannot talk. Where Buhari they campaign. You know, see, If they against government, like they even talk that time, say man, Jonathan, the government of PDP say they don't hijack the security of Nigeria, the DSS are with them, anybody blah blah. You talk many things, but now they use DSS, they fight anybody we talk. See, we go talk no matter what. We go talk to you. Now this country we dey, nobody they come up for here. Now this country we dey. What did they happen? Revolution now. Nothing they happen. Only one way is revolution. Let's revolutionize this country, Nigeria, so that this Buhari is an enemy to Nigeria. See, I felt talking from my previous video, say man, this Buhari, if you give him 500 years to come, they go see the complaint for past administration. Whereas they borrow money, they follow everywhere they go. Which kind of president you be safe, See, Chad president the other day, he follow soldier, go they fight terrorists. Pastor, where they know if they talk to not be pastor. When I want call government, as soon as they form na good, now they form sense. Then they talk say Goodluck Jonathan not good. But now you can't even worse pass. What did they do you? See, the time when they campaign, you know many things we promise. You talk say man, you go equal dollar with naira. I mean, say we don't forget. We never forget to. But now, how much the dollar price to naira? The thing don't go up. The thing don't zaga follow everywhere. Buhari, only one way. Now that one I mean no say the way is revolution. Without revolution, our country, our lovely country, Nigeria, it cannot work. Anybody come out and talk, we go use DSS, they war all of them. How Nigeria want to work? See, if you come to Europe, in where we live, freedom of speech is #1 thing where we say everybody they proud of. Where your president or your government they are not doing well, you come out, you say something to them. You see people come out, protest everywhere. Police, they go even they guide the protest they go. For Nigeria, what did they do? They go they use the protest, they kill people. Even the person where they lead the revolution now, DSS, soldier, they want kill vision. Buhari they use soldier. You not go fit to see, no, leave Oshogo there alone. He's the masses chairman. He talk for the oppressed. He talk for where people don't fit talk. Oga Buhari, Nana write the law. Where will they follow? Public opinion is necessary. Everybody have a voice in democracy, but there's nothing like democracy in Nigeria. Oga Buhari, make una change una way. You and your co-ops, make una change una way. You don't too much now. Who they cry the sea road? See, Ibabo, fear. Hey!